Hello everyone, we have successfully made it to the 5th video of this tutorial series. In this video, we will discuss about the Create New Shop workflow. Firstly, you have to click on this Add New Shop button. Now you can add the details of your shop. Write the name of your shop here. Click here to share your shop's location. After that, write the address of your shop. Select the days your shop is open for transaction. Now you have to upload some important documents. To upload your license, click on this Upload New File button. Find your license file from your computer and double click on it. Now you have to upload the registration and tax ID in the same manner. Here I have uploaded the registration document file, and now the tax ID is also uploaded. Add the opening and closing timings of your shop. Now select a category for your shop. I will write grocery here. Now just click on the Save button to finish the process. With this, we have reached the end of this video. We'll meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching.